We'll guide you through how to add texture in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to create more visually interesting and professional text designs in their videos. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the project name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to add texture in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File on the top menu to import the texture you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the texture file you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the texture onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This texture layer will be used to fill the text later. Once the texture is placed on the timeline, press T on your keyboard to activate the Type tool. Click on the program monitor, then tuck the text where you want to apply the texture, for example, similar to the video. After typing the text, click the Selection tool to exit text editing mode and return to normal controls. Next, go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that you can apply to your layers. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Track Matte key to quickly locate the effect. When the effect appears in the search results, drag the Track Matte key effect onto the texture layer in the timeline. This effect will use the text layer as a reference to shape the texture. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down until you find the Track Matte key section. In the matte setting, for example, change it to Video 2, then adjust it according to the position of your text layer so the texture follows the shape of the text correctly and creates a clean textured text effect.